Today, I'm making a little stamp from an eraser. Some assembly required. Hello! I'm so excited to try this. I came across a creator on TikTok, Pink Eraser Art. Go check them out. They do a really good job. And they were carving stamps from regular pink erasers. When I saw it, I knew that I absolutely had to try it because it looked so satisfying. So here I am. I have tried linoleum block printing before, and I'm not sure I was great at it, but I am enthusiastic, and maybe that will carry me through. We'll find out. Here is the little kit that I put together. We've got a speedball lino cutter that keeps all the blades inside. Watch your fingers, they're sharp. A pencil for sketching, a stamp pad, erasers, of course, and a little notebook to stamp in. First, I'm going to sketch something simple on the blank side of the eraser. I think I'd like to leave a little border, at least for this first one. And I'm going to try a tropical theme. Okay, apparently you can't erase on an eraser. I don't know about the bird, we'll see. The next step is carving. The nice thing about using erasers is that they don't feel super precious, so it's a little less scary to get started, hopefully. I think I'll try cutting out an outline first. Oh, not bad. It cuts pretty smoothly. Let's keep going. Hey, not a bad start. Next I'll try out some of the other blades to see if I can clean it up a little bit and remove the bigger areas. I have no idea how it's going, but it seems good. I think I'll try to cut a little closer to the lines and then maybe do a test print. Well, okay, ready as I'll ever be. So I have some scrap paper, and I'll grab the ink, which is apparently good for fabric. I just noticed that, fabric. Stamp time! Hey, it's really not bad. Let's see if I can get some of these little bits and try again. Okay, second try. Let's see if that's better. Oh, much cleaner. Maybe a little less inky, but that's okay. Now for my first official stamp in my little book. Exciting. I will try to get it super duper inky. And then press really hard, which might make some extra little lines, but at least it will be dark. Now the reveal. Ta-da! That is so awesome! Well, now I want to make another one. This one's going to be a little weird, but hopefully in a cute way. It's a little alien guy saying hello. And I will cut him out. Test print time. Oh, not bad. Just needs to be a little bit inkier. Now into the book it goes with lots of ink and a good hard press. Ooh, Lily just said I should do multiple prints on one page, and I wonder if I can add color. I tested on my scrap paper and the ink doesn't seem to bleed, so here come the markers. Some of them are maybe a little dry, but let's just say that adds texture. Ta-da! That was so fun. This feels like a new hobby for sure. Oh, so cute! Lily made a bunny stamp, but didn't get a chance to color them yet. I feel like I made a good decision on this one. Erasers are pretty satisfying to carve. And they're just erasers, so it feels like you can be a little bit more experimental without worrying that you're gonna ruin your fancy art materials, because not fancy. The erasers that I found are a little bit bendy, so when I run out, I might try something with a little bit more stability. They still stamp just fine, but it might make them a little easier to work with if it's not like bending while you're trying to carve. Obviously, I recommend trying this. You could have a theme like memory or gratitude journal, or you could just make whatever you feel like. Adding color was also pretty great. Watercolor seems promising since the markers didn't run, but I haven't given it a full experiment yet. I did quickly spray an edge with a little bit of water and smear it around to see if anything happened. Nothing did, so I'll try it out on a little scrap piece. It's worth a try, at least. Anyway, thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and totally try this. New videos come out on Saturdays, so until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!